I sit near the window. I sit near the window. I take a small sip. I take a small sip. I sit in my favorite chair. I sit in my favorite chair.
I stretch my legs. I stretch my legs.
I cross my legs. I cross my legs. I put on my glasses. I put on my glasses. I take off my glasses. I take off my glasses.
I rest on the couch. I rest on the couch.
I turn on the TV. I turn on the TV. I turn off the TV. I turn off the TV. I watch a movie. I watch a movie. I lean back. I lean back. I look around the room. I look around the room.
I stretch my arms gently. I stretch my arms gently.
I rub my eyes gently. I rub my eyes gently.
I look at family photos. I look at family photos.
I watch people outside. I watch people outside. I watch people outside. I watch people outside.
Oh, did you learn how to speak about daily life? Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.